Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Wynn Esplanade is the luxury retail promenade that forms one of the signature interior features of Wynn Las Vegas. It was designed as an upscale shopping corridor that reflects the resort's overall aesthetic. Curved lines, fine materials, and carefully composed visual symmetry. The Esplanade connects the casino with the convention areas, dining spaces, and outdoor lake features, acting as the central spine within the property. The concept behind the Esplanade was to elevate the retail experience far beyond typical casino-adjacent shops found elsewhere on the Strip. From the beginning, Wynn's vision was to create a collection of brands, normally found on Fifth Avenue or Rodeo Drive, placing them in environments defined by architecture rather than themed decor. As a result, the shop fronts are framed by marble, lacquered finishes, and architectural arches instead of replicas or gimmicks. Luxury brands line the corridor, including fashion houses, watchmakers, and jewelry designers. Each boutique was built with its own custom facade to fit seamlessly into the overall architectural rhythm. The doors, display windows, and signage all follow tight design guidelines, so the Esplanade maintains a consistent visual identity. This detail-driven approach reflects the resort's overall design philosophy: refinement over spectacle. The Esplanade is also known for its curated art pieces. Wynn properties have historically integrated fine art into their public designs, and the Esplanade continues this tradition with sculptures, decorative installations, and carefully placed centerpiece arrangements. These elements aren't meant to dominate the space. Instead, they function as transitions between storefronts and corridors, creating a gallery-like flow. Along the route are entrances to several of Wynn's flagship dining venues and lounges. These connections were intentionally designed to blend retail, hospitality, and entertainment into a single walkable environment, rather than isolating each function. The goal was to keep the Esplanade active throughout the day, whether guests were shopping, attending conventions, or simply moving between different parts of the resort. The corridor's curved architecture is another defining feature. Instead of straight lines, the Esplanade bends in gentle arcs, influencing how each shopfront comes into view. This creates a sense of discovery as visitors move through the space, revealing the boutiques gradually rather than all at once. The curves also tie back to Wynn's broader design language, which favors organic shape over rigid geometry. Throughout the Esplanade, Wynn's signature floral motifs and landscaping appears in the form of planters, decorative arrangements, and seasonal displays. These elements link the interior promenade to the rest of the resort, particularly the gardens, atriums, and outdoor lake areas. The result is an uninterrupted visual theme, connecting the retail environments to the resort's larger aesthetic. The Esplanade represents a key moment in the evolution of retail on the Las Vegas Strip, a shift from souvenir-driven shopping to high-end luxury integrated directly into the resort's design. Its architecture, brand selection, and curated decor were all intended to match the identity of the Wynn Las Vegas as one of the premier luxury destinations in the city.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.